The move-in inspection is one of the most important things a landlord can do, and one of the most commonly skipped. Without it, you have almost no legal standing to deduct from a security deposit at move-out. With it, you have documented proof of exactly what the property looked like before the tenant moved in. Here's how to do it right. First, timing. Conduct the inspection the day the tenant gets the keys, before they bring in any belongings. Schedule at least 30 to 60 minutes and do the walkthrough together. Go room by room. Document the condition of every wall, floor, ceiling, window, fixture, and appliance. Use a standardized checklist with condition ratings, excellent, good, fair, or damaged, and write specific descriptions of anything that isn't perfect, not just damaged. Small scratch on interior of lower cabinet door. Photos and video are non-negotiable. Photograph every room from multiple angles. Photograph inside the oven, the refrigerator, and the dishwasher. Record a narrated video walkthrough. Timestamp everything. Back it all up to the cloud the same day. Get the tenant's signature on the checklist. This acknowledges they reviewed it and agreed to the documented conditions. Give them a copy, required in many states. Then give them 24 to 48 hours after move-in to note any additional pre-existing conditions they discover, in writing. At move-out, use the same checklist side by side and compare. That comparison is your evidence for any legitimate deductions. Damage beyond normal wear and tear, not routine maintenance or minor aging. States like California, Maryland, Virginia, and Georgia legally require this process. In states that don't mandate it, courts still give landlords dramatically better outcomes when documentation exists. Don't skip this step. It protects your deposit rights and sets the tone for the entire tenancy. TenantScreeningBackgroundCheck.com. Find tenants who respect your property, starting with comprehensive screening before move-in day.